I got so much motherfucking design on right now.
Break it down, bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new block, where that thing. Bitches on my line, and you know they come straight. Hold up, what it not, 45, scope it cash like whoa. How you fucking with these hoes up?
Hello guys, I'm here. I will to make an English text, procedure text about how to make improvers images in the Python application. The first, I will introduce myself. My name is Febriana Angelica manurung from class S.Pd. Happy watching. Okay, in here open the Windows, searching application Visual Code, Visual Studio Code. And I will open new text file. The first, I will import to variable turtle. Next, I will save the file. Save image. Browser. After that, run to the Python application. And the format is finished. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.